New Tool Day Tuesday, where I share with you guys unique or useful tools that I myself use that I think you might be interested in. Today's tool was recommended to me by a viewer. I did purchase this from Amazon, and it is a product made by HTM. If you're not familiar with HTM, they seem to have a really strong following. They offer good quality tools that really don't break the bank, and this is a precision screwdriver kit consisting of 128 pieces, and it only cost about $25. The reviews on this particular product are fantastic. The entire kit fits in this nice roll-up container, and when you open it up, all of the tools are easy to access. The kit not only has 120 different bits, it also has plastic pry bars, a double-ended stainless pry bar, the screwdriver itself, a flexible tip, and even a pair of tweezers tucked to the side of the screwdriver. The screwdriver is made of an aluminum alloy. It does have a swivel cap, and it is very nicely machined. It feels very good. That way you can palm this in your hand and get precision control. The 4mm tips are magnetically held into place. There is a built-in demagnetizer and magnetizer, so you can magnetize or demagnetize your tips as needed. The plastic pry bars are surprisingly kind of sharp. However, they are plastic, so they're not going to scratch up your components. If you need something a little bit stiffer, it does have a stainless steel pry bar. One end is a little bit pointed to help you wedge it into places. The other end is a little bit flat. The ends of the pry bar are extremely thin, yet they're very stiff. This would be a great tool to have when you're trying to take apart small pesky electronics. The tweezers are amazing. Not only do they come to a fine point, they line up perfectly. These are extremely well-made tweezers. And as we mentioned earlier in the video, the entire kit rolls up into a nice tight roll. So what are my final thoughts of this kit? Well, I'm really impressed with the quality. And again, all of the reviews that I have found on this particular company are amazing. They seem to have a really hard following. For $25, I really don't think you can beat this kit. This would be a great kit to have on anybody's electronic workbench. I will put a link down below to this item. If at any point I find any issues with this product, I will put it in a pinned comment down below. If you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.